Mateo.
What?
Hi.
No, finger.
What's that? What is it?
No.
What is it, Pa? Come on, let's go and play with the toys. Let's go and play with the toys.
Mateo, do you want would you like some orange?
You want some orange, Papa?
Come some music.
You want some orange? Come on.
The radio can go after that. Mateo? Would you like Mateo?
It's just... And I'm just sitting at your back. Mateo, I love you. Can I have a cute face? Mateo, wait. Can I have a cute face? Can I have a cute face? Can I have a cute face? Mateo.
Maybe later. Would you like some orange?